Comparing fractions with the same denominator. 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 1 over 5. Which one is the biggest? Arrange in ascending order, which means that start from the smallest and stop at the biggest. That's ascending order. So which one of them is the biggest? If they have the same denominator, the one with the biggest value is the biggest fraction. What that means is that, look at it in terms of marks. Who has, person that got 3 over 5 got higher than the person that got 2 over 5. So we're doing ascending order. Since this is the smallest, we'd arrange as such: 1 over 5 followed by 2 over 5 followed by 3 over 5. Right? The other way would be in ascending order, in descending order. So we want to arrange fractions in descending order. Let's say we have 2 over 9, 7 over 9, and 8 over 9. Descending will mean that we are starting, so we say descend from a bigger point to a smaller point, right? So that's from biggest to smallest. So since they have the same denominator, think about it like maths. Who got the highest? 8 followed by 7 followed by 2. So in descending order, you would have 8 out of 9 followed by 7 out of 9 and followed by 2 out of 9.